includes in ListStack, which is a stack implemented using a linked list. Stacks are very important in computer science, and understanding ListStack will help you when learning data structures and algorithms, and even in real-life applications like undo-redo actions. So let's start from the beginning and move step by step. In a list stack, all the operations are built using linked list instead of arrays. This means the stack can grow and shrink dynamically depending on how many elements we add or remove. There are 4 main operations we usually implement. They are push, pop, peek, and isEmpty methods. Using a linked list is efficient because we only work with the top node, making operations fast and simple. Let's discuss real-life examples. Stack of plates. You put a plate on the top and take the top plate first. The second example is books piled on a table. You place a book on the top and remove the top book first. The third example is undo feature in text editors. The last action you did is the first one to be undone. Okay, let's move to the code implementation. In here, we are going to discuss 4 main functions: push, pop, peek, and isEmpty methods. Let's talk about the push operation. It is add a new element to the top of the list stack. Here is how it works. First, a new node is created with the data we want to insert. Then, this new node's next pointer is connected to the current top of the stack. Finally, the top pointer is updated to this new node. So, the new node becomes the new top of the stack. Here is an example. If the stack is 10 and 20, then we push 30. The new stack becomes 10, 20 and 30. Let's discuss the pop function. This removes the top element from the list stack. Here is what happens initially. First, the stack checks whether it is empty. If it is empty, we cannot remove anything. If not empty, the top pointer moves to the next node and the previous top node is removed for read from memory. This operation also follows LIFO. The last inserted item gets removed first. For an example, if the stack is 10, 20 and 30, then we put 30, the stack becomes 10 and 20. The peek function allows us to look at the top element without changing the stack. That means we are not going to remove that element. This is very useful when we want to know what the top item or the top element is, but we don't want to remove it. For an example, if the stack is 10, 20 and 30, then we use the peek function. It returns 30 and the stack stays exactly the same. Let's discuss isEmpty method. This function checks whether the stack has any elements. In a live stack, this is done by checking whether the top pointer is none or null. If the top element is none, the stack is empty, so it returns true. Otherwise, the stack has elements, so it returns false. Here are the advantages of ListStack. Dynamic size. The stack can grow and shrink automatically. No need to set a fixed size like in array-based stacks. Easy insertion and deletion at the top. The push and pop operations are very fast. No wasted memory. Only uses the exact amount of memory needed. Good for situations where stack size changes often. Simple to implement. Using a Python list or linked list is easy and clean. Fewer lines of code. Good for recursion. List sticks are useful when solving maze problems, undo, redo, expression evaluation, function call stack. Save operations. Push and pop work only at one end. Reduces errors. Makes program logic simple and predictable. Easy to visualize and teach. Students understand stack order quickly. Good data structure for beginners. Let's summarize what we learned today. ListStack is a type of stack implemented using a linked list. And there are 4 main operations. To add a new element on the top, we use push operation. To see the top element without removing it, we use peek function. To remove the top item or the element, we use pop function. And to check if the stack is empty, we use isEmpty operation for that. The main features are no fixed size, fast insertion and deletion at the top, perfect for undo features, browser history, or expression evaluation. And the real life examples are undo redo in text editors, book stack, and plate stacks. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this helped you clearly understand what a ListStack and how it works. If you enjoyed the explanation, please like the video and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.